Come on.
Yeah, go on.
Today we will talk about dogs' language. And we will give 7 easy ways to show your dog affection. And especially how to massage your dog. So let's get started. I have a question for you guys. Who love dog?
Can you raise your hand?
Yeah.
Who
Love dog?
dog?
Oh yeah. Okay. Ismail, tell me. What are the ways you always play with dogs?
I pet them, I feed them.
It's not play.
It is
Um,
turned around.
And what did you talk about?
Begin
to
so.
them?
No, I don't talk.
Why? You don't like it?
I don't know. They don't understand me.
Uh-huh. And how about you, Mary?
What's it?
Do you love dogs?
Yeah, I love dogs.
And what are the ways you always play with them?
I just, walk around and they follow me. Yeah. And I touch them and I say with them.
How about Dean? I can see you always play with your pet. So tell me.
Because I love dog.
You bring dog
And
on your
the
bed?
way you share your feeling with dog.
Playing with dog. It's they so cute.
Okay.
And it's they looks like they. So I really like dog. Play with dog.
It's, you mean you really like with me?
Do you understand your dog?
Understand?
How about his feelings?
Feeling. Maybe.
Maybe how? How can you understand them?
Just see the mice and the sound they make. That's it.
Can you show me the sound? That sound?
Sometimes Vic make a sound. I mean, that Vic was make something mistake. And I understand.
Bring that dog here and show us. What's Bring that dog.
Bring. So, as you know, we and our dogs speak different languages. I mean, we speak human language and our dog has their own language. And it's so wonderful that we can tell them our love by their own language. And so today we will talk about 7 easy ways to show your dog affection. And the first is lean on them. Lean on them.
Yeah.
No? Lean on them. I realized that many times my dog try to lean on me and even they try to lie on my legs. It's simply because they want to be comfort and to be close to me. And so sleeping between my legs is a good way to do both. And it is also a way to share your feeling with the dogs. You should find a big dog and lean on them and enjoy that moment. And I'm sure that you will be more understanding their feeling. And the second is raise your eyebrows. Raise? Yeah.
Raise what?
Eyebrows. A study in science found that when humans and dogs share loving by raising eyebrows, the more you move your eyebrows up and down, and the more they will react emotionally. Okay, let me show you. She tried to catch it. Cool. I'm sorry. I'm going. Look at me. Look at me. Pull you. Okay. You're a good boy. Come on. Don't scare. Look at me.
He's smiling.
Okay. I will show you later. Sorry.
He's scared.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Freaking scared.
Okay. And
She was truly a catcher. A dog catcher. I mean,
And the next, what is next? The next is let them sleep with you on your bed. Like co-sleeping with a baby, co-sleeping with your dog can give them a sense of comfort, warmth, and safety. And it also creates a strong bond between two of you.
And okay, let me ask, dear brother. I can see you always carry a tiger or puma when you get to sleep every night. So tell me, what is your feeling when you sleep with them, Dave?
If I sleep with my pet, I think I sleep very well. If I hug my pet, it make a sound. It's very fun to hug it and touch it. Yeah.
And did you make them
so
care?
like that.
No.
I can't capture.
I can catch it very easy. Yeah.
Okay, and the next is talk to them. The friends can discover evidence that dogs process language in a similar to humans, similar ways to humans, and so they can listen both to your words and to your tones of voice. So you should speak to them. You are clarifying your love for them.
You can say that I love you and you are a good boy. Or even when you yell at them, they can understand. Like when I see Lily with Vicky, when Vicky was naughty, and Lily said that, "Oh, Vic, you are a bad dog."
You make me so sad.
So Vicky.
Don't judge on a word. Don't judge on a word.
When Lily said, "Vic, you are bad boy. It's not your fault," and I can see Vic can understand. He was sad. He lied down on the ground, and he make a sound like.
Yeah, and maybe he wanted to tell me like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm so sorry."
Do you understand?
Yeah, I really,
We can see the sadness in his eyes.
what is the next?
What is the difference between cat and dog? Do they speak the same language or they speak the different languages?
It's a different species, so it speaks different language.
Yeah.
Cause it's obvious. So
I mean, basically they're an animal. They're a
What is the
cat.
next?
and the next way is feeding by hand.
Yeah.
Feeding your dogs by hand is more intimate than let them eat with a bowl, and they will learn to be comfortable with you faster, and they will also learn how to eat slowly. And you can try.
Okay.
Where the dog?
But the puppies, it is